Hello, teacher. Good afternoon. I choose the dish of Mexican enchiladas and below the ingredients. Then these are chicken with cream, then lettuce, and here we have carrots, also onion that gives the enchilada good flavor, and finally the cheese that goes on top of the tortilla.
At the first step, you need to put the tortilla on salt and then on the pan. At second step, you need to put the chicken cream on the tortilla and then roll it up. At final, you can put lettuce, carrot, and onion. And on last, you put the cheese.